Hello, Internet, and today we are going to be introducing you to something new. Does this look like bread dough? It sure looks and feels like it, but believe it or not, this is not bread dough. It is actually a new kind of slime. So, this slime is called dough slime, and what you need to make it is you need a regular slime,
cornstarch,
lots and lots and lots of cornstarch, and you should also have activator and softener on hand at the same time because activator, I recommend Borax for this slime. So
the first time we tried using Downy, but it just made it
softer.
Soft. And now it still smells like Downy, and it originally smelled like lavender.
So you want to add a heck lot of cornstarch into this. Because if you add too little cornstarch, it will feel like slime. But if you add too much cornstarch, it'll feel stiff. So you want to make sure you add a lot, but you don't add too much. So
on hand, you'll want cornstarch, and to make it not clump, you might want to add some toothpaste.
Mint. Oh, sorry.
I'm good. I'm good, YouTube.
So you want to add mint toothpaste from Tom's of Maine. If you add that into your, like before you activate your slime, like if you add that into the glue at the beginning when you're making the slime itself, it helps not have the slime clump once it's activated. It makes the slime much smoother and stretchier. And it helps it so that the slime doesn't easily overactivate. So
what we did was we added vanilla extract, but it still smells like Downy because Downy, gosh darn Downy.
Wait, let me smell it. This is going to become an iconic Vine someday, guys.
Still smells like Downy, darn it.
You said darn it, it's supposed to be dang it.
I know, but
okay.
I'll go get the lotion that we used for it.
Okay, and you also want to add in some lotion.
What we did is
we used
no.
Okay.
What we used is this vanilla icing body cream by Smile Sparkle Shine. It's actually from a kid's kit.
Guys, it's actually me, Sunnyside Studio. My YouTube channel, something happened to it. I can't explain it because I can't upload. And
so right now she is currently helping post. Well, I'm currently helping post on my YouTube channel for her.
Yeah, so I've never done a slime video before. It's all just drawing and animating, but it's me, Sunnyside Studio, and in a few months here I might get a new YouTube channel, but I cannot log into mine, nor can I upload or really do anything on it.
It might have been because you were using your school account or something, but anyways.
Yeah, probably. But I'm going to get a new one in a few months, apparently. So, yeah, this is bread dough slime. So, stay tuned for more bread dough slime updates. I hope this goes viral because we worked really hard to perfect this recipe. And your recipe, this is a very advanced slime to make. It's very hard. So, never give up. Never give up on this slime recipe. You'll get it someday. And we hope that you guys can start shelling this in your shops. I cannot say
shelling in your shops.
Shelling in your shops. So, we hope that you start selling this in your shops, and that because this recipe is hard to perfect, but once you really perfect it, it's so worth it because it feels so nice. And whenever you feel the need to like
bake or whatever,
or knead something, but you don't have dough, you can always just take your slime out, knead it all you want.
And it feels just like bread dough. And by the way,
and it also acts like slime really well.
And by the way, I did not make the slime. It was Sunnyside Studios. So if you want more bread dough slime updates, just go to her channel at Sunnyside Studios.
Well, I can't anymore because
like...
Yeah, but I'm probably going to get a new channel here with a new email. But I won't be sharing that on the internet, not the email, because, of course. But yeah, I'm going to get a new YouTube channel here maybe in a few months. So, stay tuned for that. It won't be called Sunnyside Studio, though. We'll give updates here. So, yeah, I'll see you later, YouTube. So... if you go to that channel in a few months, I'll give you bread dough slime updates and all that. Yeah. This one is called Lavender Dough. It used to be scented,
but we added Downy instead of activator, so it smells like Downy, dang it! That's going to be an iconic Vine one day.
Yeah, one day.
Totally not trying to be cringy.
Although Vine's dead. Wait, can we do an ASMR with this?
I don't know. Let's see.
All right, so
Okay, guys, ASMR.
Okay, guys. So wait, don't go close up. Don't go too close up. Okay, so. Oh, and yeah, you can cut it like bread dough.
Cuts like bread dough. It cuts like bread dough, guys. And if you snip it, it sounds so cool. Oh, scissors.
Okay. So she's gonna go get the scissors, but oh, okay. Oh. So yeah, guys, that's So yeah, guys, that's an update on my channel and this new kind of slime. So someday we're gonna make a tutorial on it the next time I come over to her house. The next day I come over to this beautiful person's house. So the next time I do that, I'm going to bring all the materials for dough slime, and we can make some and a tutorial showing you how to do this. So, I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope this becomes a new kind of well-known slime in the community. So, stay awesome, and bye!